Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about something that's been really helpful for me lately. If you've been feeling like AI is everywhere and you're not sure how to actually use it, this is for you. Here's the thing, AI tools are everywhere right now. ChatGPT, Midjourney, all these different platforms. And if you're like me, you probably tried ChatGPT once or twice, but you're not really sure how to use it properly. Like, it can do more than just answer simple questions, but nobody really actually teaches you how to use these tools in real life, for your work, for your business, or even just to save time. And most courses, they're too long, they're too complicated, or just boring. That's where Coursiv comes in. It's basically a platform that teaches you how to use AI tools, but in a really simple way. Here's what I like about it. First, the lessons are super short, like 5 to 15 minutes, so you can learn something new every day without spending hours. Second, they have courses organized in two ways. You can learn by specific tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others, or you can learn by your goals, like if you want to make money with AI images or do affiliate marketing or whatever you're trying to do. Third, and this is cool, they have these daily challenges, so instead of just reading theory, you actually practice with real AI tools right in the app. They give you prompts and templates that you can use immediately, and they make it fun without streak tracking, so you actually want to come back every day and learn more. The app has different AI tools built in, so you don't need to jump between different websites, and they have pre-made prompts that help you get better results faster. When you finish courses, you actually get certificates that you can add to your LinkedIn, which is nice if you want to show people you know this stuff. The whole idea is simple. One new AI tool per day, 50 minutes of learning, and you're building real skills. No technical background needed. I mean, if you can use your phone, you can do this. So if you're curious about AI but don't want to spend weeks in some complicated course, check out Coursiv. They have over 100,000 people using it already, and honestly, the reviews are pretty good. I'll put the link in the description of the video, coursiv.io. Go check it out, and if you try it, let me know in the comments what you think. What AI tool are you most interested in learning? Alright, that's it for today. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want more content like this, and I'll see you on the next one.